Have you ever wondered how some people manage to become millionaires before they even turn 30, while others struggle to make ends meet? These young self-made millionaires are quietly applying habits that set them apart. It's not about luck or inheritance. It's about mindset, discipline, and taking action in ways most people overlook. In this video, we're breaking down the 5 powerful habits that helped young millionaires build wealth early. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps to take to start your own journey to financial freedom. The first habit is ruthless time management. Millionaires don't just go with the flow, they control their time with laser focus. While most people waste hours scrolling through social media or watching endless Netflix episodes, young millionaires use their time intentionally. They prioritize tasks that generate money, build skills, or create opportunities. Think of time as currency. Every wasted hour is a lost opportunity to level up. Alex Hormozi, a multi-millionaire entrepreneur, treats his schedule like a military operation, planned, precise, and distraction-free. He doesn't leave success to chance. Tip: try time blocking. Schedule your most important tasks early in the day and stick to them like your success depends on it, because it does. The second habit is relentless learning. Young millionaires know that the more they learn, the more they earn. They treat knowledge like a weapon. They read books, take courses, listen to podcasts, and surround themselves with people who challenge them to think bigger. They understand that every new skill or insight is an advantage in business and life. Elon Musk, before launching SpaceX and Tesla, devoured books on physics and engineering. He didn't rely on degrees, he built his knowledge from the ground up. The difference between someone stuck in the same place and someone building wealth, it's what they choose to learn every single day. Tip: commit to learning one new thing every day, whether it's a business strategy, an investment principle, or a high-income skill. The fastest way to grow your income is to grow your mind. The third habit: taking calculated risks. While most people play it safe and wait for the perfect moment, young millionaires take action despite uncertainty. They understand that risk is a part of success, but instead of taking blind risks, they study, strategize, and execute. Think about Mark Zuckerberg dropping out of Harvard to build Facebook. It wasn't reckless. It was a calculated move based on market potential and a vision for the future. Fear keeps most people trapped in mediocrity. Millionaires feel the fear but take the step anyway, because they know staying in the same place is the biggest risk of all. Tip: start small. Take a controlled risk today, whether it's starting a side hustle, making your first investment, or launching that idea you've been putting off. Habit number 4: building multiple streams of income. Young millionaires never rely on just one paycheck. They know that job security is an illusion, and true financial freedom comes from having money flow in from multiple sources. They start businesses, invest in real estate, trade stocks, or create online income streams. While most people rely on one employer, they're quietly stacking multiple income sources, creating freedom and security. Think about this. The average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. That's not a coincidence, it's a strategy. Tip: ask yourself, what's one income stream you can build starting today? Maybe it's freelancing, starting an online store, or investing in a profitable skill. The key is to start now. The final habit is powerful networking. Wealthy people know that who you know is just as important as what you know. They build strong connections, surround themselves with successful people, and actively seek mentors who can accelerate their growth. Many millionaire success stories trace back to a single key relationship, someone who opened a door, gave the right advice, or introduced them to the right opportunity. It's not about networking events, it's about building genuine relationships with people who inspire you to level up. Tip: reach out to one person today, a mentor, a successful entrepreneur, or a like-minded individual. The right connection can change your life. Let's recap the 5 millionaire habits. 1. Ruthless time management. 2. Relentless learning. 3. Taking calculated risks. 4. Building multiple streams of income. 5. And powerful networking. These aren't just habits, they're proven strategies that separate those who achieve success from those who stay stuck. Success isn't about luck, it's about the choices you make every single day. Start applying just one of these habits today and watch how fast your life changes. Which habit are you starting today? Let us know in the comment.